Hello. Welcome to Amazing Food Benefits. This video introduces 7 immune-boosting foods. Additionally, there are some unusual ingredients, so please pay attention until the conclusion. Let's begin. Immunity is the capacity to defend against invading pathogens. Despite being obviously present outside of us, it performs a critical role in defending the body by reacting appropriately to invisible viruses, toxins, and countless dangerous pathogens that permeate the body. These 7 superfoods will enhance your immunity. The first are sangwhang and Shiitake mushrooms. Beta-glucan is a component found in all mushrooms. Among these, studies have shown that the beta-glucan in Shiitake and sangwhang mushrooms is good at boosting immunity. Mycelium derived from the sangwhang mushroom was therefore used to create prescription medications. This medicine operates as an immunostimulant to boost the therapeutic benefit following cancer resection surgery for patients with stomach and liver cancer. Japan developed retinol injections derived from purified Shiitake mushroom mycelium as anti-cancer drugs in the 1980s because Shiitake mushroom mycelium is particularly effective at treating cancer by boosting the immune system. Because beta-glucan inhibits sugar absorption and increases insulin levels, it is also beneficial for diabetic people. In addition, it promotes the synthesis of skin's epithelial cells' growth factors, which protects the skin effectively and has a beneficial effect on skin beauty. The second food on the list is pumpkin. Beta-carotene is plentiful in pumpkin. The term beta-carotene derives from the Greek words for carrot, beta and carota. Beta-carotene is an orange component that gives sweet pumpkin its yellow hue. Beta-carotene is a potent antioxidant that stimulates the immune system. Beta-carotene lessens the likelihood of developing heart disease and cancer. It can minimize cognitive decline symptoms. Beta-carotene is very beneficial for maintaining lung function in the elderly. The simplest method to consume sweet pumpkin is in the form of soup. By heating sweet pumpkin, pulverizing it in a blender, combining it with milk, and boiling it, you may prepare a delectable sweet pumpkin soup. Apple is the third item on the list. Apple peels are loaded with ursolic acid and anthocyanins. Polyphenol, an antioxidant present in anthocyanins, blocks radicals that cause aging. Moreover, anthocyanins promote eye health by facilitating the resynthesis of rhodopsin, a component of retinal cells. Additionally, it stimulates the activity of immune cells and nitrogen oxide emissions. Apple skin is abundant in ursolic acid. Ursolic acid possesses antioxidant, anti-cancer, immune-boosting, and lipolysis-promoting effects. Consuming apples late at night promotes gastric secretion, which might lead to stomachache. Keep in mind that apples must be consumed with the skin intact. Yellow persimmons are the fourth option. Beta-carotene and beta-cryptoxanthin are responsible for the orange hue of persimmons. The human body converts beta-cryptoxanthin, often known as retinol, to vitamin A. Beta-cryptoxanthin uniquely promotes bone development. In addition, it inhibits active oxygen and serves as a powerful antioxidant. The result reduces the growth of cancer cells. According to studies from the National Institute on the Study of Aging, people with very high blood levels of lutein, zeaxanthin, and cryptoxanthin had much lower dementia rates. The bitter flavor of persimmons is due to tannins, which can cause constipation. Additionally, tannin inhibits iron absorption, thus anemic individuals should avoid eating persimmons. The mackerel ranks 5th. Mackerel contains high levels of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are apparently prevalent in the mackerel's stomach and around its eyes. Docosahexaenate and icosapentaenate are omega-3 fatty acid components. Docosahexaenate increases the production and development of brain cells, whilst icosahexaenate reduces levels of harmful cholesterol in the blood. Another study reveals that consuming blue fish such as mackerel twice or thrice per week can aid in the prevention of heart disease. A research team from the University of South Dakota in the United States found that those who consumed a lot of omega-3 fatty acids from blue fish such as mackerel were 39% less likely to suffer from heart attacks or strokes than those who did not. Eating grilled or steamed mackerel as opposed to fried mackerel increases the efficacy of omega-3 fatty acids. Carrot is the sixth item. The component in carrots that receives the greatest attention is beta-carotene. Carrots contain the highest concentration of beta-carotene of any food. Beta-carotene inhibits cell damage, hence protecting the body's cells. Carrots contain alpha-carotene, which suppresses the growth and spread of cancer, in addition to beta-carotene. To prevent dangerous oxygen-induced adult diseases such as cancer, arteriosclerosis, arthritis, and cataracts, the body should maintain an adequate level of beta-carotene. Since carrot shells are rich in beta-carotene, it is also beneficial to consume carrot shells. Additionally, beta-carotene is a fat-soluble vitamin, so cooking with oil expedites absorption greatly. Add a few drops of olive oil to carrot juice and oil-based dressing to carrot salad. Beta-carotene is damaged by vinegar, hence it should not be utilized. Because carrots contain enzymes that degrade vitamin C, eat carrots alone, never with other veggies. The final item is radish. Radishes contain 20 to 25 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. This is valued at 10 apples. Radish has a number of elements that are highly beneficial at enhancing the body's immunity, metabolism, and blood flow. Since radish skin is rich in vitamin C, it is optimal to consume both together. The component known as sinigrin is radish's pungent, peppery flavor. It is a chemical that strengthens the bronchial mucous membrane, which is advantageous in the winter when it is easy to become dehydrated. Sinigrin decreases fever, cough, and throat pain. In addition, radishes are rich in the enzymes diastase and amylase, which aid in digestion by breaking down proteins and lipids. Therefore, in Korea, radish pickles are consumed with chicken. 7 substances were used to enhance winter immunity. There may be food ingredients that intrigue you. Please post any questions in the comments section, and we will do our best to respond. I appreciate you coming. If you enjoyed watching this, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel to see more content just like it. In order to ensure that you don't miss any of our movies, be sure to enable the bell notification.